Dalam menyambut berakhirnya bulan Ramadan, Departemen tempat aku kuliah mengadakan mini workshop dan makan bersama. Jadi nanti ada workshop terkait tempe dan juga kimchi dan juga makan-makan beberapa makanan dari 3 negara, dari Indonesia, Turki dan juga Uruguay.
For our Indonesian team, for our Uruguayan team is warming up for the next workshop. So it's really great, and we will learn about really healthy food, and then also steam and food. So and then we can also write some papers. You already wrote some papers about Tempe. Maybe you can show that one or explain that how to write papers about cooking.
Welcome everyone. Here in this, we can say it's as a mini workshop because we have also prepared like Wahid and Fadlan. They will have demonstration about how to cook tempe and kimchi. Even though we are not from South Korea, but Minzu also will add something later on about the idea of kimchi and the story behind the food. And the title is Heritage on Your Plate because both two food are food heritage. One of a cultural heritage from Indonesia, tempe, and also kimchi from South Korea. You really love to play. Do you want to say something about board game also, please?
Yeah. For now, I like to play a board game. Actually, before I play board game, Matthias influenced me to play board game, but I don't really like. But now I'm very like to play board game.
I have 10 new games and
Hello, I'm Wahid. I'm from Indonesia as well. So why I love kimchi? Because the K-pop wave, influenced the world. Like many K-pop idols like BTS and whatever. Koreans drama a lot, and they promote their foods like the kimchi and the ramyun. I bring the ramyun so we can enjoy the noodle called ramyun. So we can.
So hello everyone. I'm Pastita. I'm Laksimati. You can call me Tita. So here, if they will demonstrate about how the way to cook or to make tempe and kimchi, I will give you small introduction about history, and also Minzu later will share around 1 or 2 minutes about the Korean modern era of kimchi, a beautiful archipelago known for its diversity. So, based on the statistical department of our government, we have more than 17,000 islands. Yeah, and we are going to start with tempe. Don't forget tempe. Tempe. And tempe is a traditional Indonesian fermented food from soybeans. And let's talk about the origin. Especially for Javanese, it's like our everyday food. And lucky me, we can find tempe easily in Europe. Yeah. And let's talk about the story. Because Indonesia, we were the Dutch colony, so the story will very close with the Dutch. So I will start with the earliest known written record about tempe. So this Serat Centini, it's written by the Crown Prince of Surakarta Palace with Chinese influence, but adapted with the risotto. So the fungi, could you please explain about the fungi?
We know about the mushroom, but there is a micro mushroom. We cannot see it with the eye, so we call it the microfungi. We use that to make a tempe. I will explain later about how this fungi will unify the soybean. Okay, thank you so much, Pasita. So in here I will demonstrate how to make a tempe, but I cannot demonstrate from the start because it is hard. We need to boil the bean and whatever. So I'm preparing the boiled beans in here. Actually, you can use all the bean.
We are live on our
Okay.
YouTube channel.
Okay, so we need the beans in here. So please make sure everything
So
is
any kind of bean is okay.
yeah, anything.
Yeah.
But you can use soybean. Please make sure it's not contaminated. I mean, if it is contaminated, there will be no tempe, but rooted bean. That is hard. Yeah. So we need the bean in here, and we need we call it starter. This is the Rhizopus fungi. So it's in the powder. Actually, Wahid have the stock from the Amazon.
You can buy it from Amazon. A
From
lot.
UK.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usually they send us the links and
Okay.
Okay.
To replicate.
You is for 1 kilo of beans, you just need 1 gram of the Rhizopus. Yes, 1 gram, only 1 gram, 1 or 2 gram. We need to. Okay, this is just example. Okay, so we just need like one gram or 2 gram, and we just put in the soybean. Okay, and we mix it. Be rooted or something. For example, I put something like this in the thin plastic bag. In Austria, it's hard to make a tempe. You can make a tempe in the winter or in the summer. Why in the winter? Because you have a heater in your room. But in the summer, it is good in summer. But in the spring, it's hard to make a tempe. You need the temperature and you need the humidity. Forget to make a little hole in the plastic to make the mushroom breathe because it's more dense.
Like cake.
Like cake, so dense, and from this you can reshape. For example, you want to cook this and you want to make a chip. For example, you can just cut it into a small, other beans, whatever. And the most interesting thing, if you eat the soybean, the taste is like a peanutty.
Yeah.
But if you make a tempeh, the taste will be changed because there is a biological process in there. So the protein will break down to another protein. So the taste will like a meat.
Yeah, meaty.
Meaty. My part in this presentation.
Okay.
We have questions.
Now you do something with the beans? Just mash them or just leave?
Just leave it.
Just leave
Yeah.
and the
Yeah.
mushrooms are.
But they will be cooked.
Okay. Hello everyone. Let's just continue with another healthy food from Korea. It is known from Korea, but Minsu talked to me that actually Chinese also have fermented vegetable before Korea. Do you want to?
Yes. This is cabbage kimchi. So for us, kimchi means just salted vegetables. So like salad for us. Because we eat every day. China to Korea. So kimchi is Korean traditional one, but this vegetable came from China to Korea, and as I heard, this vegetable is also originated to Vietnam.
So I will not talk much about kimchi. I will just show you how to make it. 1 medium pear or apple, and then a half of onions. Okay. Kimchi, as you said, that Minsu thought that it is salted vegetable. So we need to add salt to the bowl. We want the broth,
Okay.
just the broth. Onions will add a nice taste, something sweet, something spicy. I mix them up. Now, how to process with this cabbage? You take some of this and put it in the between of this leaves of the sheets and gently rub it. Okay. We still have some pieces, so don't worry. You like it tonight? Good. Oh. Yeah. You there? You want to try?
Thank you so much.
We still have.
And it really smells very fine.
Yeah.
You can smell the garlic.
Thank you so much. You can broke it?
Just to share with the others.
Yes. Sure.
Hey.
But usually that
Hello everyone, our friend from Turkey and Uruguay already prepared some dishes, but we would like to hear the story first, and also thank you very much for preparing the dishes.
Why? Because Indonesia known as the Ring of Fire country. Ring of Fire country is the country that have a lot of volcanoes. So that's why it's inspired by the volcanoes. So we make the shape with the cone shape. But because in here we cannot find the
Cone.
yeah, so we make something like this and
Noodles, fried noodles, egg, and pickles, and tempe rendang. If we have meat rendang, beef rendang, but here we provide tempe rendang.
Yes, this is Ramadan Bayram, Ramadan feast. After 1 month, if you want to add something else, please explain. In our culture in Turkey, after 1 month we have Ramadan Bayram, and then in Ramadan Bayram feast we make some desserts to our kind of dessert, kadayıf dessert, made with small noodles. That's it.
Thank you so much. You the others.
About Mehir preparing
Oh,
so yes,
There is so traditional things in it.
Bulgur. There is no translation for it, but all Middle East countries use
like
it a lot.
couscous.
So small pieces and salsa,
Tomato paste.
tomato paste and kimyon.
Yeah.
So cultural spices and some
Green
green
inside.
onion.
Olive oil. Some
Olive
green.
oil and pomegranate sausage and
This
lemon.
is the most
It's really
important ingredient.
Oh.
It's so delicious. I think you must try.
Yeah.
Faina de queso. It's cheese. Faina of cheese. Faina. It's a simple preparation. You need to put cheese, flour, eggs, oil, baking powder, and just mix and put in the oven.
I have a question. Is it dessert?
No,
No.
it's salty.
It's not the main dish, it's more like something we eat starter.
It's
It's
a
starter, something
or
with...
sometimes we combine with pizza. Also,
Yes.
we have two different versions. This,
But in Argentina they make it from chickpea.
yes,
Yes.
this is the original
The
one.
chickpea version is the original one that we eat with pizza,
Yeah.
but then this version is something
Homemade.
grandmother's.
Yeah, exactly. We prepare it usually for the birthday party. We prepare
just
pizza, this one, and we cut in small pieces, and you can eat with by hand.
Yes.
So I take the kimchi.
We love falafel.
let's try everything.
It is vegetarian, not with fish oil.
No.
Okay.
Not just to
It is vegan.
everything is vegetarian.
Okay. Not with the fish oil.
No.
Great.
Shrimp.
Uh,
No,
Yeah, this one.
So how the taste?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Jadi itu video untuk
Actually, you can eat this,
kegiatan
right?
kita di bulan Lebaran di
Fresh
Linz.
kimchi.
See you in the next video.